So, Wikispeed update, June 3rd, Saskatoon. So here you see the adapter plate for the Honda D series transmission that goes onto the electric motor, which I'll show you in a minute. These are the bolts that go to the transmission and to the motor. Here's the coupler that couples the shaft up to the clutch plate on the transmission. And finally, here's the mount for the electric motor that clamps onto it and keeps it from rotating, gives it some support on the one end. Okay, and here we have the 9-inch Netgain Warp 9 motor in the upper left there, and that's what the bracket is going to hold in place. And here you can see the shaft of the motor just sticking over the edge, so we have to lift the motor up a couple inches to have it sit level. And the last of the goodies today, this is a Vicor DC to DC converter. 250 volts, 75 watts input, and 12 volts DC out at 50 watts. So it's losing 25 watts, which is why it has a big heatsink connection in the back. And it takes, even though it says 250 volts, it'll take over 300 before it goes over voltage, which is a nice wide voltage range. It doesn't only has like 4 or 4.5 amps out, but it's a nice compact package. I think it'll work well.